Are you getting error while streaming content on Netflix? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Siricophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Force stop the app. If you are getting issues while streaming Netflix on Fire Stick, force stop the app and relaunch it. Press the home button on your remote and open settings. Now go to applications and then select manage installed applications. Select the app and click on it. Select force stop from the following menu. Then relaunch the app and check. Method 2. Restart your Fire Stick and home network. Power off your Fire Stick. Unplug it from the power source for a couple of minutes. Then plug it back in. Wait for it to fully boot up. Restart your home router by unplugging it from power, waiting 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Method 3. Ensure Netflix is permitted on your network. Check with your internet service provider or network administrator to ensure Netflix streaming is not blocked or restricted on your network. If Netflix is blocked, you may need to get permission or find an alternative solution to access the service. Method 4. Clear app cache. Go to Fire Stick settings, then select applications, then select manage installed applications. Then select the problematic app. Here we are selecting this app for example. Then select clear cache. Then you can relaunch the application and see if that works. If you need to log in, then log in with your credentials and check if the app works now. Method 5. Reinstall the problematic app. You can also press and hold the round button and the play button at the same time. A message should appear asking if you want to delete the app. Confirm it and wait till Fire Stick restarts. You can also go to settings on your Fire TV device, select applications, select manage installed applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 6. Update your Fire Stick software. Go to settings, then select My Fire TV and then About. Check if there is a software update available for your Fire Stick. If an update is available, install it and see if that works for you. Method 7. Update the app. Go to Amazon App Store. Search for the app that is causing the issue. If an update is available, install it and then restart the app. Method 8. Disable or enable VPN. Certain region-specific apps on your Fire TV stick might not function after you set up a VPN network. You can turn off the VPN and check if you can stream the content now. If you're using a VPN service, then you can try one and check if you can stream the content from the app now. Method 9. Perform a factory reset. Go to settings, then select My Fire TV, then reset to factory defaults. This will erase all your Fire Stick's data and settings. So make sure to back up any important information first. After the reset, set up your Fire Stick again and try launching Netflix. If the issue persists after trying these steps, you may need to contact Amazon support or your internet service provider for further assistance. And there you have it. The ways to fix Fire Stick error on Netflix. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which methods helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.